Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sasha. Today, we are going to practice real English in a restaurant conversation. You will learn how to order food, talk to a waiter, and handle simple situations in English. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I will speak slowly and clearly. Just listen carefully and try to understand the simple phrases. This is real-life English that you can use every day. All right, let's start the conversation. Going to the restaurant.
Let's go eat something today.
Yeah, I'm really hungry now.
We can try a nice restaurant.
I hope ordering is not hard.
It will be very easy.
I always get nervous outside.
Don't worry, I will help you.
My English is not strong.
You only need simple English.
Like very short sentences?
Yes, short is perfect here.
That I can try.
Restaurants understand all English.
I hope I don't mess up.
Mistakes are totally fine.
What if I forget words?
Just point or speak slowly.
That sounds easier.
You are already doing well.
I still feel nervous.
That's completely normal.
Okay, I will try.
Today is just practice.
Real life feels different. No classroom today.
Only real English today.
Let's go.
Before entering the restaurant.
This place looks nice.
There are many people inside.
That's a good sign.
I feel people are watching.
Nobody is watching us.
My mind thinks too much.
That happens a lot.
I don't want mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
I should stay calm.
Yes, breathe slowly.
Okay, better now.
Ready to go in?
I think so, yes.
Let's enter.
Waiting to be seated.
Let's wait here.
Everyone looks busy.
Busy means good food.
You always say that.
Because it is true.
I hope table comes soon.
It won't take long.
I feel awkward standing.
Just relax your body.
I'm trying.
You are doing fine.
I hope so.
Looking at the menu.
Let's check the menu.
So many items here.
Just focus on simple food.
Chicken, pasta, burger.
Choose what you know.
Everything looks expensive.
Restaurants are like that.
My wallet is crying.
Pick one item only.
Maybe chicken rice.
Good choice.
Finally decided.
Talking about food choices.
What will you order?
Chicken rice, I think.
Nice choice.
Or maybe burger. No.
Don't change again.
My brain is confused.
Trust your first idea.
Okay, chicken rice.
Perfect.
I feel better now.
Do you want a drink too?
Maybe orange juice.
That sounds good with chicken rice.
I hope I say everything correctly.
You will do fine.
Sometimes I forget simple words.
That's okay. Just speak slowly.
Yes, slowly helps me.
The waiter will understand you.
All right, I'm ready to order now. Calling the waiter.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, ready.
What would you like? We need a minute, please.
I got scared suddenly.
It's just ordering food.
My heart disagrees.
Relax. There is no pressure.
The waiter speaks very fast.
Just listen carefully.
I don't want to forget my order.
You already decided.
Right. Chicken, rice, and water.
Exactly. Very simple. Take your time.
Thank you.
See? The waiter is kind.
Yes, that helps a lot.
Ready now?
Okay, I'm ready now.
Great. Tell me your order. We can order now.
I'll try my best.
That's enough.
Okay, let's do it.
Ordering drinks.
I'll take a cola.
Just water, please.
Okay, noted.
That was not hard.
See? Very easy.
I practiced that sentence before.
Your practice worked well.
I still felt nervous.
Nervous is normal.
Do many people order cola here?
Yes, it's very popular.
Water feels safer for me.
Safe choice today?
Yes, very safe.
Your drinks will come soon.
Thank you.
You sounded very natural.
Really?
Yes, your English was clear.
That makes me happy.
Confidence grows little by little.
I think I understand that now.
Good. Just keep speaking.
I'll keep trying. Ordering the main meal.
I'll have pasta.
Chicken rice, please.
Good choices.
I said it correctly.
You did great.
My voice was shaking a little.
But you still spoke clearly.
The waiter understood me fast.
Because your English was good.
Maybe better than I thought.
Exactly right. Would you like anything else? No, that's all for now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, biggest part finished.
See? No problems at all.
I worried too much again.
Your mind likes drama.
Yes, too much drama.
Next time you will feel calmer.
I hope so.
Practice makes everything easier.
Then I should practice more often.
Exactly right.
Waiting for the food.
Now we just wait.
Waiting makes me hungry.
That's normal.
Very cruel system.
Food is coming soon.
I can smell it already.
The kitchen smells amazing.
Do they cook fast here?
Usually, yes.
Good, because I'm very hungry now.
Your stomach agrees.
Did you hear that sound?
Everyone heard it.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's funny.
At least I'm relaxed now.
That's good progress.
Restaurants feel less scary now.
Because you are getting comfortable.
What should we talk about now?
Maybe food.
Happy topic ever.
I knew you would say that.
I really love chicken rice.
Then today is your lucky day.
I can't wait anymore.
Talking while eating.
How was your food?
Wow, really tasty.
I told you.
I trust you now.
Good to hear.
This is nice experience.
The chicken tastes good, right?
Yes, very soft and delicious.
The rice smells nice too.
Everything tastes fresh.
I'm glad you like it.
This is nice experience.
The chicken tastes good, right?
Yes, very soft and delicious.
The rice smells nice too.
Everything tastes fresh.
I'm glad you like it.
This is nice experience.
You found your favorite meal.
What do you think about your pasta?
It's very good too.
Maybe I should try pasta next time.
One step at a time.
True.
You seem much more relaxed now.
Food makes me calm.
That is understandable.
I'm really enjoying this moment.
That's what matters.
English practice feels easier while eating.
Because you stopped overthinking.
Maybe that's the secret. Asking for extra items.
Do you need anything else? Yes, some extra sauce, please.
Can I get napkins?
Sure, I'll bring them.
That was easy to say.
Yes, simple English works.
I feel a bit easier now.
You are speaking more naturally now.
Maybe I was too afraid before.
Fear makes everything harder.
My brain creates problems.
Big imaginary problems. Here are your napkins and sauce.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your pronunciation sounded good.
Really?
Yes, very clear.
I'm happy to hear that.
Confidence changes your voice too.
And what way?
You sound stronger now.
Maybe the food gave me power.
Magic restaurant power.
I need that every day.
Then we should come here more often.
Dessert and final order.
Would you like dessert? Yes. One ice cream, please.
Maybe chocolate cake?
Okay, I will bring it.
Saying dessert was easy.
You are getting confident.
I feel less nervous now.
That's great progress.
Chocolate cake sounds really good.
You already sound excited.
Dessert always makes me excited.
Ice cream is my favorite part.
What flavor did you choose?
Vanilla. Simple, but good.
Vanilla is always safe.
Like your water order.
Yes, I play safe today.
Your desserts will arrive shortly.
Thank you.
You thanked the waiter very naturally.
I stopped thinking too much.
That helps a lot.
This practice is actually fun.
Learning English should feel fun.
I want to practice more now.
That's the best attitude.
Asking for the bill.
Let's ask for the bill.
How do we say it?
Just say, "Bill, please."
Bill, please.
Sure, coming right up.
That worked perfectly.
Very good job.
That sentence was easy.
Short and simple works well.
Restaurants are not so scary anymore.
You handled everything nicely today.
Even my nervous moments?
Especially those moments.
I learned a lot today.
Practice builds confidence slowly.
Did I sound natural?
Yes, very natural. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Ready to pay?
Nervous payment still scares me a little.
Don't worry, it's simple too.
Okay, I can do this.
That's the spirit.
Smiling? I'm trying my best today.
And your best is good enough.
Paying at the counter.
That will be $20. Here you go.
Is this enough?
Yes, thank you.
Payment was stressful.
But you did fine.
I didn't mess up.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
See, everything went smoothly.
I worried for nothing again.
Your imagination is very powerful.
Too powerful sometimes.
Here is your receipt. Thank you.
Do we need anything else?
Nope, we are done now.
Finally, mission complete.
Successful restaurant adventure.
Yes, without disaster.
I'm proud of your effort today.
Thanks for helping me relax.
You helped yourself too.
Maybe confidence grows step by step.
Exactly right.
I feel stronger now.
Leaving the restaurant and ending.
That was a nice meal.
And good English practice.
You did really well today.
I feel more confident now.
Next time will be easier.
Yes, I want to try again.
Maybe a different restaurant next time.
I'm ready for it now.
Great. Let's go outside.
This was a good experience.
You spoke English very naturally today,
At first, I felt really scared.
but you improved little by little.
Yes, now I feel comfortable.
Food and practice are a good combination.
Best combination ever.
What was your favorite part?
Eating the chicken rice.
Of course.
Also, talking to the waiter felt good.
That was a big step for you.
Next time, I will speak even more.
That's wonderful to hear.
I'm not afraid anymore.
Keep practicing every day.
I will. Thank you for helping me today.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. This channel is all about real-life English conversations. You can learn English in simple, everyday situations. If you like this video, please like it and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, I want to hear from you. What topic should we do next? Maybe airport, shopping, or restaurant English? Or you can suggest your own idea in the comments. I read all your comments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.